Hi, Mark DeLeese here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a coming soon page to the new SalesPress Pro. This is version 2.6 and following for premium members, and it has a new template. Watch this. In a matter of seconds I'm going to add a really cool coming soon page. I'm going to go right here, I'm going to add the title coming soon, and on the right hand side this is also going to be responsive. This is the responsive template, so I'm going to click on responsive template right here, and you'll see under the page options, let me just minimize this here, there's a number of page options, and you'll see all of them listed down below the visual editor. One is called the responsive template options. I'm going to open that up, and you'll see on the very top of the options here it says general options. Click on this plus sign to maximize it, and it says default design options for the coming soon page right here. And all I need to do is do that checkbox, and it's going to auto-populate all of these different sections inside this here that auto-populates the coming soon. So for example, I'm going to publish this page. I'm going to show you exactly what the coming soon page is already auto-populated, and there it is right there. Isn't that cool? So it's got a nice background, coming soon. We're currently working. Now you can change all this. You know, if you want to have the coming soon of a product launch, you can do that. You can change the text. You can change the countdown timer. And look at this, it adds a really cool autoresponder input field. It's really custom made, and a nice submit button. You can change the the text. You can change all this here, and it adds really cool social media buttons that kind of rotates. It's really cool. Now this is totally customizable. You can change the background image. This light gray box right here, this also is an image that you can change, and everything's customizable. And I'll show you how to customize it. First of all, if I come down to the background options and I maximize that, I can insert a different background image URL. This is the background right here. I can either put the URL right there, or I can upload it to your WordPress right here, and has repeat horizontal or repeat vertical right here. Also, I can have the content image URL right here. By default, this is the content image right here, this light gray one. I can replace that, or I can have no image at all. I can just be a white content area or what have you. And where you do that is right here. I can add a different image background right here, or I can have no image background and I can just have a color or what have you. Then is your header options. Your header options are coming soon. I can have a logo instead. So up here, I can have a logo instead of coming soon. But this is where you make all those changes in your header options. And there's the color, there's the subtitle with the subtitle color, and so forth. It's all right there. All right. And next, you have your content options. There's a short code. So here's the countdown, and the countdown is called My Countdown Square, and it adds the square boxes of the countdown. And you can see all the different options that it has here. Opt-in title text, subscribe by entering your email below, and there's a color to that text. Then you got your Facebook and your Twitter URLs right here, and you can change your content width and border positions and so forth. And there's your Twitter and Facebook right down here. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do is how to change your countdown timer. The first thing you want to do whenever you're using a countdown timer with SalesPress Pro is you want to go to your settings right here, go to your general, and you want to change your time zone. All right, this is your time zone. So for example, I'm near Halifax. You can change your time zone right here, put it to your local time, and you save the changes. Then you come back here, and this is your page options once again, and we're just going to minimize this here in the page options. And if you come down where it says common options for all page templates, I'm going to maximize this. And you'll see if I scroll down, it says countdown redirects. I open that up, and this, you'll see that it's already auto-populated, and this is where I can change the time right here. Right now I can have it as a date or a time. So I can have it as a time, specific time, or I can have it as a specific date or a first visit only. So if it's for a specific time, you just read the instructions right here. This is all the instructions that you need to do for inputting this right here and for this different options. And then you need to select when the countdown expires, is it going to be by their IP or their cookie. Read all about it on the right hand side right here, and also in the membership area. Now when the countdown expires, what do I want to have happen? Do I want to have the page redirect to somewhere else? If so, I put the redirect URL right here. Or when the countdown expires and they're on the page, do I want to show an image so that it says, hey, do not refresh your page. If you refresh your page, you're going to lose this offer forever, or what have you. You can do that as well. And once again, this is the colors for the countdown. So it's background color. You'll see here that the background color is black right here. And you got the border width is 3. That's the border width on the countdown. It's 3 pixels wide. And you'll see that it's solid. You'll see that it's obviously a golden color by default. So it looks very, very professional. And I want to show you that once again, this is totally responsive. So if I come over here and I go to my Firefox web developer, and if I go to responsive view, you can see that if I scroll down, it is totally responsive. Doesn't that look very, very cool? Very, very cool. Your input box, your Twitter, it's totally responsive on mobile devices, and it looks awesome. So again, Mark DeLeese on how fast and easy it is to add a responsive coming soon page, whether it's a coming soon of your website or a launch or what have you. Thank you.